Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this practical clothes upcycling video, I'll show you how I refashioned a men's shirt into a comfortable shirt dress that is designed to be worn all year round. I bought this beautifully tailored men's shirt for $5 from my local thrift store. Not only does a lot of work go into tailoring a men's shirt, but the manufacture of cotton takes a lot of resources, and it's a shame to see the fabric go to landfill. The first step was to tailor the side seams of the shirt so it fit my female shape. I didn't want this dress to be too tight, preferring a slack, comfortable fit. The button-down front, however, does make it possible to make shirt dresses quite tight because you're able to get in and out of them by buttoning and unbuttoning them, where you would usually have to insert a zip on a tight-fitting garment. For this project, I didn't bother taking in the seams at the back, but this could easily be done to provide further tailoring to suit your shape. The next step was to alter the length of the sleeves. To do this, I used one of my shirts as the template, cutting off the excess at the bottom. The cuff is safe to be reattached. Next, I have to take in the inside seam of the sleeve so it fits my arm, but importantly is the same circumference at the bottom of the sleeve as the sleeve cuff. Because I shorten the sleeve, the new hem is too wide to simply reattach the cuff. Then I reattach the cuff to the bottom of the sleeve. This usually takes a bit of adjustment, and I may have to go back to the sewing machine to adjust the sleeve hem size. Sometimes you're lucky and you get it right first time. Sometimes you don't. Then, to make the dress look less like a men's shirt, I made a ribbon tie from some scrap fabric. I sewed this to the seam under the collar. This can then be tied or left untied. Next, I dyed the dress. The white was a bit see-through and I thought it looked like I'd just thrown on my boyfriend's shirt. So after leaving the dress sitting in the dye overnight, I check whether the shirt has taken up most of the dye. To test this, the water should be quite translucent. If it's not, I'll usually throw something else in so I don't waste any dye. And here it is finished. It's a bit cold where I live at the moment, so I'm wearing the dress with tights and boots. In summer, I'll be able to wear it with sandals, flip-flops, and sand shoes. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more practical upcycling projects like this one, please throw me a thumbs up. It really helps. I upload upcycling videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more inspiration. See you next time.